Hello and welcome to Software Pulse, building Java desktop applications, and I'm John McNeil. And in the video today, we're going to showcase a brilliant get you started application. So if you're looking for an idea to build as one of your first applications, nothing too advanced, but something that's got some application, has got some connection to the real world, then this is a great example of something you can do. And what it does is it deals with PAN numbers. Now, PAN numbers are the long numbers that you'll find on the front of bank cards or store cards. So I've got here, this is an old bank card of mine, and this is an old store card of mine. And they've got, 16 digits on the front of them. And what this application will do is it will allow you to type in the whole set of numbers on the front of it and press a button, and it will tell you whether the checksum on the end is the valid checksum. So the last digit of this number, this PAN number on the front, is a checksum. And the other thing the application can do is you can put in all of the PAN number omitting the last digit, and it will generate the checksum that should go on the end of that number. And it was originally built because we were testing cards for a loyalty type system, and we needed to generate a few test examples of both valid and invalid cards, and so it was just a little tool put together to enable us easily to generate numbers. Now, a little bit about the PAN number. The first 6 digits on the PAN number will identify the country of origin, or the country for which it's registered for use, and the organization that owns it. And that's why when you use a bank card, for example, and you type in the digit, the system can work out whether it's a MasterCard or a Visa card, because of those first 6 digits define who owns that numbering system, that part, that code. So that's what we're going to do. One thing I should say about the checksum is the checksum is actually referred to as a LUN code or a modulus 10. So if you Google modulus 10, for example, you'll find the algorithm on the web, and all that we've done in this application is applied that algorithm or applied that in the application to deliver the product. But anyway, enough about that. Let's actually go have a look at what the application does. So what we have here is we've got an executable called lun.exe. It's only 181 kilobytes in size, and in the same folder we've got a Java runtime environment. So what we do is we package up both the executable with the appropriate Java runtime environment, and the two work together. So when you deploy it, you're deploying that whole package. And when you double click on the file, it launches an application which looks like this. And I have a number of sample PAN codes that we can use. So if I just bring those to there, if I take this one here and take all of that, I can go to the Verify LUN tab, put in the code, press the Verify button, and it will say true. Equally, I can go to the Generate a LUN, just take the last digit off, generate, and it will generate 3, which was the last digit we took off. And just to show that there's nothing special about the code, the one we've picked, this one's got 9 on the end, so press the button and it's generated 9. And if I go here on the Verify LUN and put the whole code in and verify, it will say true. If I change that 9 to an 8, for example, and press Verify, you get false. So that's all it does. As you can see, it's a really trivial application, but at the time we were generating our own PAN numbers against a set of rules, and we just needed to put on the correct checksum for testing purposes. So this was just put together to help us quickly and easily do that. So that's how it came about. But because it was such a small application, the other things we were able to do is to put a nice icon in the corner of the bar. It's got a matching icon on the taskbar if I was showing that, which I'm not. And it's also got an icon that we saw here on the against the executable on the file system. So you can spend time doing those things if you build an application that's not too demanding on the coding side of things. You can learn how to package up some things and practice doing those sorts of things. This was actually packaged using Launch4j, which is quite a nice, straightforward and simple application, and you can get it to work with the later versions of Java. It's well worth looking at if you want something to get you started in packaging up applications. Launch4j is a great little tool that I quite like to use. But anyway, that was our LUN application. Hope you've enjoyed what you've seen here and it's inspired you to go forward and do some of your own applications. This is Software Pulse, building Java desktop applications, and I'm John McNeil. Thanks for watching.